Would you like to know how to attract your next 7, let's count these, 7 ideal customers interested in your message, interested in your life message and your life story in 7 minutes or less? So let's think about this and how you can basically turn this into 61% more online profit over the next 6 months, guaranteed, using one simple method. This is the method that I call curiosity. Curiosity killed the cat. Remember that group from the 1980s? Now, what is curiosity? I found a few really nice quotes on the internet. Curiosity, according to this person, John Hegarty, is where you're trying to create something that is both rational and emotional inside the head and inside the heart. Remember, us people as human beings, we are all big, big bags of emotion. Now, down below, John uses a very nice quote, listen now. This is something that we have to listen to. This is something that we have to understand. Now, let's go through this second quote from Jay Beyer. I hope I'm pronouncing your surname correctly. This is the power of curiosity. It is your ability to do this one thing. So let's now think about what is the one thing that you can do for your customer, for your potential customer, for your potential clients, for these next 7 potential clients, these next 7 ideal dream clients right now. Okay, so let's get started and let's get into this video to discover what is curiosity and how it can help you to increase your business. Curiosity. What is the one thing that you can do right now, this minute for your prospective client? Well, let's talk you through some different possibilities. What we use over here in the Yes, iCanDOur, your digital marketing practice, where enough practice makes permanent. Curiosity. This is the free gift. Remember, these people are all coming over from social media, and they will be seeing something which is called a lead magnet. In other words, something that is going to magnetically attract your right type of client. And this is normally using Facebook ads. We show you how to do this in another part of the course. And then what you're doing is you're giving them a free gift. You're sort of holding a carrot above them and you're saying, oh, you're calling out to the unanswered problem, their specific need that is going on inside their head. They've got a problem, remember, that they do not want. And you have got a solution where you can solve their problem better, faster, and quicker, and with more fun, in a more engaging way, by coming over to you and to your coaching services. Okay, so what we do is we take them through a 5-point evaluation plan, whether they turn up or whether they do not for this meeting. Okay, and then what we do is we regularly remind them until such times as they turn up and they take action and they watch this video. They watch this video that has been specially prepared for them. So even in actual fact, it's much better if they do not turn up for the arranged meeting, because then it gives you a chance to plan and to solidify in your mind what exactly they need. Then you have a look through the 5-point evaluation plan, and that is included in another video. Then what you're doing is there for the people that are serious, the people that have watched the video, then you're asking them, you're inviting them to come along on an equal level playing field, where you're asking them to invest 17.5 minutes of their time showing up and telling them specifically where to focus. Where is working better than ever before in this year 2022? We're now about to enter Q2 of 2022. And where is working better than anywhere else at this moment in time? Excuse me, I get the coughs. I was listening to one of your videos, Lisa, and you were also. having a poor cough, so I hope your cough is better now. Okay, so this is the third stage, is where we invite them to invest 33 1/3 minutes of our time. And if anybody out there is Irish, or if anybody has any Irish connections, you'll understand the meaning behind that word. 33 1/3 minutes of our time, showing them how to position their message using this iCanDOur, this Yes iCanDOur digital roadmap, this 8-step digital roadmap, this semi-automated solution. Then number 4, what happens in number 4? We ask them there to position 2 or 3 of their messages to a YouTube channel. You remember I told you in the last video, in day number 19, what to do, how to ask them 2 very quintessential British questions. How do you do? And what do you do? And the answers to the first one is designed to put them at ease, to remove any nervousness. And the second one is it looks easy, it looks perceptively easy, but yet there's actually much more to it. And we go through that in yesterday's video. So again, click on the link if you haven't watched yesterday's video yet. Please, I urge you to go back and watch that one. What do you do? Very important. And also click on the link in the top of the comments below after you have liked our video, after you have subscribed to it, and after you have given us a meaningful comment. Please go over, click on the link at the top of the comments below and go over to the long form landing page. And then you will see there are these videos in much more detail, with the worksheets, with the action points, with the summaries, with the conclusions. Now, because what you're trying to do then in the 5th and the final part of this, you're trying to inspire them. Because remember what sales is. Sales is all about inspiring them to take action. And in other words, the action that we're taking is we are inspiring them. We are inviting them to come along and to join us on this fantastic journey with the Yes iCanDOur, your digital marketing practice team. We're showing them how we can help them to reach their destination. Remember, we are knowledge brokers. We are bridge builders. We're trying to bridge over that big gap with the dangerous cutesy-wootsy baby marketing shark that is ready to jump up and fleece them out of thousands and thousands and thousands of their marketing dollars. And what we're trying to do, dramatically different, is we're trying to help them by getting them these results in advance. And if you come over to the longer form lesson, you will see some of the examples. I think there are 10 examples of how we do this for other companies and how we have achieved the success that we have achieved by simply trying to help these people to get them some badly needed results in advance. Okay. And that way it inspires them like nothing on earth. Okay, so anyway, I'll leave you with this quote today. The important thing is never, ever to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Okay, this is one of the quotes from Albert Einstein from the site Brainy Quote. Really, really good quote. And it's something now that you really have to think about. Okay, really think about this. I love quotes. I live my life by quotes because a lot of these quotes have a lot of different meaning. Okay. So anyway, I hope that lesson was useful. This has been the lesson. This has all been about curiosity. And please, I urge you, if you are curious, note the plain words, the double entendre, please click on the link at the top of the comment section below. And then we will take you over to the longer form video where you will be able to find out how you can get access to the homework, to the workbooks, to the actionable points that you can show, that you can turn up like nobody else on this planet and make a dramatic difference by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way for your coaching business. Okay, so my name has been PG Mac, and this is me saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now. Hello, everybody. And thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the third thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also, here is the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.